Hi all, welcome to Leah's Number Scheme. Today we are going to study what are factors, what are prime numbers and what are composite numbers. If you find this video very helpful, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for further notifications. Let's get into the video. What is a factor? Factors are the numbers you multiply together to get another number. For example, 6 is equal to 2 times 3. That is, we multiply 2 and 3 to get 6. Hence, factors are those numbers which are multiplied together to get 6. That is, 2 and 3 are the factors in the case of 6. Is there any other factors for 6? Yes, because 6 is equal to 1 times 6. So here 1 and 6 are also factors of 6. Hence, the total factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Consider another example. Find the factors of 60. We know that 60 is equal to 1 into 60. 60 is 2 times 30. It is 3 times 20. It's 4 times 15. It's 5 times 12. It's 6 times 10. And finally, the factors are those numbers which are get multiplied to get 60. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and finally 60. 1 will be the smallest factor and 60 will be the greatest factor among finding factors of 60. Now let's study some properties of factors. First one, is there any number which occurs as a factor of any number? Yes, 1 occurs as a factor of any number. Why? We know that 20 is 1 times 20 or 18 is 1 times 18. If we take any number, we can get that 1 into that number will get the required number. So we can say that 1 is a factor of any number. Second property, can every number be a factor of itself? Yes, from the above example, we can see that in 20 is equal to 1 times 20. 20 acts as a factor of 20. So we can say that every number can be a factor of itself. Next property, every factors of a number is an exact divisor of that number. For example, factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. We can say that each one of these numbers are the exact divisors of 8. So we can say that every factors of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Now consider this table. The first column of the table represents the numbers from 1 to 9. The second column represents its factors and the third column represents the number of factors of each number. From the table, we can identify some properties. We can classify the numbers into two types, prime numbers and composite numbers. From the table, it is clear that the number of factors of 1 is 1, the number of factors of 2 is 2, that is the factors are 1 and 2 itself. The same case happens in 3, 5, 7. You can say that all these numbers has factors as 1 and that number itself. So the numbers of factors in these cases is 2. But in the other cases such as 4, 6 and 8, we can see that these numbers holds factors other than 1 and that number itself. So there are more than 2 factors in these cases. So depending upon the number of factors, we can classify these numbers into prime numbers and composite numbers. So what are prime numbers? The numbers other than 1 whose only factors are 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. For example, the factors of 2 are 1 and 2, that is 1 and the 2 itself. The factors of 3 are 1 and 3 itself. And also the factors of 11 are 1 and 11 itself. Factors of 19 are 1 and 19 itself. So the numbers other than 1 whose only factors are 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. What are composite numbers? The numbers having more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. In case of 4, 8, 10, 12, etc., we can see that the number of factors are more than 2. In case of 4, the factors are 1, 2 and 4. So there are 3 factors. In case of 8, there are 4 factors. In case of 10, there are more than 2 factors. So we can say that composite numbers are those numbers which have more than 2 factors. This is the table representing the prime numbers and the composite numbers. Those numbers which are encircled are the prime numbers from 1 to 100, as well as those numbers which are not encircled are the composite numbers. We know that 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. From this table, we can identify several other properties. We know that 2 is the smallest even number. So we know that from table, the numbers which are encircled are prime numbers and the smallest prime number is 2. So we can say that 2 is the smallest prime number which is even. Now from the table itself, we can see the other prime numbers are 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. In any of this list, can we find an even number? Of course not. They are all odd. So we can say that every prime number except 2 is odd. Hence, through this video, we have studied what are factors, what are prime numbers, and what are composite numbers. Depending upon the nature of the factors, we can classify the numbers into prime numbers as well as composite numbers. If you find this video helpful, please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel for further notifications. Thank you.